right, back to lesson 30, adding using arrays. That's all we're going to learn about is addition using arrays and using arrays. And I'm also going to throw in how they're useful with multiplication. They are very useful in multiplication as well. So let's look at this problem. Mike put some stickers into his array. Each row has 5 stickers. Remember, rows go left to right. Each column has 4 stickers. How many stickers are there in all? So they put it in a picture. Arrays are usually pictures anyway. So for a column, columns go this way, up and down. So there's 4 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to have 4 in each one, going up and down. Each row, left to right, has to have 5 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 stickers. Okay. So each row has to have 4 stickers, or each column has to have 4 stickers. And each row has to have 5 stickers. So they want to know how many stickers do they have in all. So they also have this modelet. You can use the rows in an array to write an equation. Add the number of stickers in each row. So they're saying, because by row you have 5, 5, 5, and 5. So you can add all of those 5s together. You can use the rows in an array to skip count. So you can skip count, 5, 10, 15, 20. Skip counting. That would give you the answer very quickly. You could also do a multiplication equation, which would be 5 times 4. Your rows times your columns. So 5 times 4. So that would mean you need to add 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, which you are doing. Or you can add 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They will give you the exact same answer. So 5, 10, 15, it's just 20. Double check me if you don't think I'm telling the truth, but 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10, 10, add them, 20. This is 8. This is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Multiplication, repeated addition, arrays. All go together. So connect it. Use the array and the models to solve the problem. Look at the first model it. Why is 5 written 4 times? So why is there 5 of these? They already told you why. You have to add the 4 rows, because there's 4 rows, add the 4 rows of 5 stickers. You have to add them all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. And all of them have 5. You gotta add them all together. Write an equation you could use to find the total number of stickers using the columns. Remember, you have to remember what it's asking. Columns go up and down. What equation could you write using that? I actually did it for you over here. I did both, actually. So columns. Here's the word columns. Columns go up and down. What equation could you write for those? Well, it says there's 4 stickers in each. So 4, 4, 4. Here's a 4, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. What equation could you come up with? Add them all together. So it would be 4 plus 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. 3, 4, 5. You could put them all 5 on there. Here's your equation. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Sorry, I said that really fast, but that's the equation you could come up with using columns. This one, using the 5s, is written for rows. This one's written for columns, up and down. Look at the second modelet. Why do you skip count by 5s? Well, skip counting does what? It's adding. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 more is 15. So skip counting is just adding. So you skip count by 5s to add all 5 stickers. Well, sticker rows. Okay. Do you need to see the array from the picture to solve the problem on the previous page? So do you have to see this big array to be able to solve it? No, you don't have to, because it told you how many stickers were in each row and how many were in each column. So as long as you have that information, you don't have to have an array. It just kind of makes it easier. So no, you don't have to see the array. If you know how many rows and columns it has. So no, you don't have to see the array if you already know how many rows and columns it has, because you could do anything as long as you know the rows and columns. You could do multiplication or repeated addition or skip counting. You'll get the same answer. You don't have to see the picture. So let's try this one. Write 2 equations you could use to find the total number of shapes in this array. So it's asking for the row equation and the column equation. So let's do the row equation and column. Okay, so rows go left to right, columns go up and down. Don't not ever forget that. So up and down is columns. I'm going to write columns at the top, and I'm going to write rows at the bottom. So how many are in each column? Columns go up and down. So there's 2. 2. And remember, what's the rule? They all have to have the same. Every column has to be the same. Every row has to be the same. Do they have to be the exact same number? So do the rows have to be 2 as well? No, they do not. But both rows have to be the exact same number, just like these columns are the exact same number. So there's our columns. They're all 2s. So what are our rows? 1, 2, 3. So this one is 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is also 3. So what's the 2 equations we could use? What's our row equation? The row equation should be, because we went they're side to side, so 3 plus 3. The column equation is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 3 times. Or you could just do this. And both of them will give you the exact same answer. But you should know those are easy equations, which is 6 and 6. Or the multiplication way, you just take one of the columns and one of the rows. The multiplication equation would be 2 times 3, which is also 6, because you could do both of these things to figure it out. 3 plus 3, 3 rows, 3 per row, 2 columns, which gives you 6. Or 2 plus 2 plus 2. You have to use these two numbers. So 2 3 times or 3 2 times. All gives you the answer of 6.